smashing it now. You're literally using the floor, you've got some moves, and this is what this competition is all about. Look at the confidence, Joe. Look at the confidence. Look what I've done. Well done, babe. Zoe.
In case none of you noticed, I give my category 80s theme, and considering how old you're like 10 and you're like, that's mad. Considering like she's 11, you're 11, and you took on that challenge so well. The reason why I give my category 80s is obviously because I got into 16s, and when I did the competition, the category I hated the most was like old songs. I didn't want to learn anything other than like popular stuff, do you know what I mean? And doing it really did like help me, so that's why I give my category that theme, just letting you all know. I forgot to write everything down. Like that was a proper performance. I couldn't take my eyes off you. She made her outfit as well, on her own as well, guys, by the way. She did that all by herself. That is commitment, I don't care. She is committed, and that's what I love about you. You took this and you smashed it, honestly. And it was nice to hear like not so like belty and like this like more restrained, like, is that the word? Like this more like, side to your voice.
Less.
It was amazing, girl. I'm so proud of you. You smashed it. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Emily?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. Did you enjoy it? Yeah, it looked like you really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. And it was a massive risk for you to take because obviously you're so young. I'm really loud. But you went all out, and I love that you got committed to doing your own little dresses and your little dances in there. You owned that stage, girl. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Yeah, Tia, fair play to you. We gotta remember, like, this is a progress. And from seeing you in your audition when you first came in, he was overwhelmed. He was like, oh my God, look at these people. And to see you just take that step and have a little bit of fun, that's good. That is a really good direction to go in. Outfit looks amazing. I think you've done a fab job. I really do. I want you to remember this, Mike, because I don't want this to turn into like something that you would do from here on out, because honestly, I think you're way better than it. And take that as a compliment, because I see you as a serious competitor in this competition. And this is more cheesy pop fun, not really showing off too much of the voice. It's just more about the performance and the outfit, which was fab. But I see you as so much more. I see you as a serious a vocalist, and by that I mean like these people on that banner there, Grace. I see you in this level. Ellie, Damien, Ella. I see you as this sort of level as a vocalist. So I know it's 80s theme, and you smashed the 80s theme, fair play. You've done really, really well with it, but please take note that from you out, even though you might give different themes, I still want you to remember that your voice is equally as important as everything else. Because the only thing that was happening there then, you was getting a little bit shy from the mic. Not visually, you was in it, you was swinging, but vocally there was a few parts where you pushed your voice and really give it everything with the track, and then there was a few bits like, ooh, I'm gonna go back. That's the only thing I noticed. So we didn't get to fully see what I know you're capable of, you know, vocally. But performance-wise, I don't think this was the wrong decision, Mike. I think this was 100% the right route, because this allowed you to feel a bit more relaxed now for future weeks. So now you'll be a bit more relaxed up there because you've let loose a bit, you know. But I want you to remember, serious vocalist, because I know your ability. I can feel it, I can sense it. And I don't want people to think, oh, she's cute and she's thing. I don't want to think, I want them to say, oh my God, that girl is insane. You know, that's what I want to see. So remember that now, future preference. If you are successful tonight, remember I want you to come up and show everyone what you can do vocally. All right? Well done.
Thanks,
well done,
guys. Well done, baby.